Millions of years ago, war raged between the forces of the heroic Autobots and the brutal Decepticons for control of the planet Cybertron. The Autobots battled valiantly in the name of honor, their courageous exploits bringing hope and glory to a beleaguered, war-torn planet, and inspiring countless generations of robots yet to come online.
Ah, ooh, nice. Let's see my border for a bit, okay? What am I supposed to do? Bro, are you here? I'm gonna laugh. Okay, no one nervous. Okay, who was that was awake? Okay, let's switch the stage. Oh, what am I, a dinosaur? I hate these things these days. What? Is that what I think it is? A flying saucer? Oh, yes it is. And I'm E.T. Oh my gosh, it's E.T. What did you just call me? It's E.T. Have you ever heard of it? I shall laugh at you shame now. That's my lack of goodness. Pathetic, I think you are, kitty cat. Yo. You won't believe what just happened to me. I saw E.T. today. OMG! What takes people this long to believe I'm an alien? Oh my god. This just thing is just so frustrating. Do you guys know? You guys have to know. Come on. Who's the vampire who... I'm the vampire who bit James in behind, you know? I think you know about it. Yeah, he told you guys, didn't he? I should have known that no good brat would tell. Okay, now I'm gonna kill and suck all your blood out. Oh, yes, I am. Hey, ooh. Ooh, who's Wilson? Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. One time I saw Kid Morty. Let my cat finish the story. Okay, there was once a kid named Morty. He was my best friend. He saw ice cream truck. And a kid called, well, he was a grown man. But by the time he saw him, little Jimmy Jeffries, just take Marty away. Do you think that's a nice thing to do? No, I don't think so. What's face? Quit on me. He was my... I don't know what to say it. Have you seen my doodle yet? Well, I don't think you want to see my doodle now. I know you want to see it fine. Did you guys like that? I bet not. Or you can ask me no before I'm about to cry. I'm gonna cry. That was shame, Morty. Morty, I miss you. Please come back to me. He was my friend. I'm crying terribly. Please, don't give me a napkin. I'll use this baby as a napkin. What you say, E.T.? For God's sake, people, I'm not E.T. Who are you to judge? The alien. Oh, hi. Well, what do you think? Just let the people talk to you now. Yeah, you guys haven't seen me. Oh, great. He's here. Let's leave, guys. Hey, nobody hold for me. I heard someone talked about me. That's how mad I got. Morty, what's going on? Oh no, now the grudge gets Mr. Softy. Do you guys know?